A couple bad spots, but the melon tastes delicious. Y'all let me know in the comments what kind of animal y'all think this is. I couldn't tell you. Man, well, y'all, looks like fall melons just are not gonna happen. I guess this nice weather done brought the critters out. Cause something done got a hold of my garden and it is not letting loose. It has literally destroyed my melons every single day I come out here. I picked like 3 yesterday, and as you can see, there's 3 more here today. And yeah, he's just not gonna let anything grow. Whatever it is, he has found me, and he is not giving up. So I don't think we'll get fall melons this year, because he has literally destroyed all of them so far. They got me again, man. The biggest melon. We're done. I give up on fall melons. I'm not doing it. Look at that. Look at that. I give up. This was easily gonna be another record setter. It is already almost 20 pounds, man. Well, we got a couple bad spots, but the melon tastes delicious. So I mean, at least that's one plus side. We got one before he could kill it, I guess.